Check it out. I just got the Cordless Red Light Therapy Cap. Let's see what it looks like. It's in a big giant thing. I'm going to set the box over there. All right, we got to open it. All right, so yeah, get rid of that. Get rid of that. It comes with a USB-C to A. All right, so to charge it. So I'm thinking we might have to charge it up, but here's the interior of it. You see that? And I'm looking on the sides. It's got, I think it might have a charge on it. Let's go ahead and let's check it out. Let's press these and see what happens. Maybe a press and hold. Nothing. Let me try this side. Oh, there it is. Look. Now I can put it on my head. And I can be, you know, I could just be chilling here doing my things and at the computer and wear my hat. It's that simple. And while I'm wearing it, I'm getting red light therapy. You can see it, look. I'm getting the red light therapy. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna have to try this thing out and see what I think and see how it works because it's a little bit of a learning curve. There it is, check it out. You know, here's the logo and bam. And over here is where the port is. So I think if I hit this again, let me see what happens. Oh, it goes up in intensity. Higher, lower, higher, higher. Right now, if I press and hold it, I think it turns off. Now, I'm not sure what this is. Let's turn it on first. Press and hold. Let's try this. Oh, look at that. So this thing makes it disco. So now it's like wavy. And now it's just regular. So this one changes like the mode of it. So what? See this one here? Watch. You see that? It's pulsing. Now it's disco. Now it's just like wavering. And one more time, it just goes back to regular. This turns it up or down. This one here, right? Watch. Brighter, brightest, lower. And to turn it on and off, you press this one. So to turn it off, I press and hold. It goes off. To turn it on, I press and hold. It goes on. And you hear beeps. So let's turn it off for right now. And now I'll show you how to charge it up. So on the side here, you've got a USB-C, all right? So I've got to get a USB-C and plug it in there. And I happen to have one on a block. So I'm going to stick it in. You ready? When I do, you see that little red light there? We got to wait for that to stop flashing, and then we'll have a fully charged hat. And bam, in the back, you can make it tighter. So that's it right there, guys. And we're just going to let it sit here and cook up, and then bam, Bob's your uncle will wear it.